This video shows how to use analytics in the Meetings Analyzer application. The analytics icon will call a routine that runs a number of analytical algorithms on all the remaining meetings in the duplicated database. Analytics will be extracted for each type of meeting and for each meeting lead. The data produced for each type or lead includes the number of meetings, the dollars per hour, total cost, elapsed time, rating, number of attendees, maximum and minimum values, and the mode of the lead or the type. Before we start demonstrating analytics, let us first clear out all existing meetings and add 100 dummy meetings. We now have 100 different meetings with different leads and different types. Dummy test meetings are now generated with meaningful statistical information. This allows the dummy meetings to be used as a learning tool to understand filtering and analytics. Each lead is assigned different ratings, has different number of attendees per meeting, leads a limited number of types of meetings, and has their meetings run different elapsed times. Let us run analytics on these meetings. We can see there are now 5 different meeting types: team, branch, group, staff, and project. We also have 5 different leads: Alex, Dave, Donna, KJ, and Will. We will select Dave and look at some of the details available from the analyzer's algorithms. Apparently, Dave's meetings run rather long, averaging 2 hours and 45 minutes, with a minimum being over an hour. And his rating never exceeds a level of poor, but tends toward worthless. Furthermore, the meetings tend to have a large amount of attendees, averaging nearly 20. We are definitely not getting a good return on investment when Dave holds a meeting. We return to the main meeting analytics page and investigate the details of meeting type project. About 1/5 of the meetings recorded are project meetings, 20 meetings out of 100. The meetings average about 1 hour elapsed time, but vary greatly, from a half hour to nearly 3 hours, with a standard deviation of 40 minutes. The number of attendees also varies greatly for project meetings, from a minimum of 3 to a maximum of 35, the average being 12. Fortunately, project meetings appear to be a good use of time, with the average rating in the good range. We return to the main meeting page and filter on the lead Will. All meetings are now associated with the lead Will. We rerun analytics. We can see that Will is only responsible for 3 meeting types: team, project, and group. When we investigate the details of the meeting type project, we see that Will's project meetings last somewhere between 30 minutes and 2 hours. Will's project meetings are generally considered good. They have a smaller number of attendees than the general overall project meetings. Here the average number of attendees is 9 versus 12. We return to the Meeting Analytics main page and investigate the detailed analytics of lead Will. Will was responsible for 15 of the 100 meetings. Meetings ran between 1/2 hour and 2 hours in length and averaged about an hour and 15 minutes. Also, Will's meetings tended to be rated good, thus showing a positive return on investment. We return to the main meeting page and restore the database to its original form. We now filter the database on meeting type team. All meetings are now of type team. All other meetings have been removed from the database. we perform analytics. Now team is the only meeting type in the list. Only 3 people are responsible for team meetings: Alex, KJ, and Will. We shall investigate the details of lead KJ. KJ's meetings tend toward excellent. The meetings run from about 15 minutes to an hour and average about 40 minutes. KJ's meetings were also small, averaging about 6 people with a maximum of 9. This tutorial demonstrated the combined use of filtering and analytics to quickly ascertain information about specific meeting types and meeting leads, and whether there is a perceived positive or negative return on investment regarding both meeting types or meeting leads.